So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to set up and submit MTD for VAT in Xero. Firstly, go to Accountant, then VAT Return. If Xero immediately asks you to connect to HMRC for MTD, decline it for now. Choose VAT without MTD. You may need to scroll to the bottom of the page and click Go to VAT without MTD. Now select the exact date range of the most recent VAT return you already submitted to HMRC using your old software. Or if we're doing MTD, you can choose MTD and follow the instructions to finalize your tax submission. Now open the main VAT return page and set up MTD for VAT. Xero will prompt you to authorize the software. You will temporarily redirect it to the government's HMRC portal. Log in with it and interact with your MTD account. You will be redirected back to Xero once connected. Now all you have to do is submit your live MTD returns. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.